Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Nibiru channel. It is October 2nd, 2016, and we're going to bring you the Caltech report by two renowned astronomers slash scientists who have done their research into Planet X, and they have actually gone on the record with their information. Now, as I had stated in our first video for today, we are going to be opening a new YouTube channel that will be specifically dedicated to Planet X Nibiru scientific news. And we are going to bring you up-to-date scientific news pertaining to Planet X, Nibiru, and the Nemesis solar system. The original Nibiru channel that we host and produce will stay in effect and will be dedicated to video and photographic evidence of Planet X, aka Planet Nibiru, and the Nemesis solar system. But what we do want to bring you are articles and news reports that are more in-depth in the scientific realm of Planet X, such as what we have here. Planet X, or Planet Nibiru, just a distant cousin or the destroyer of Earth. And not too long ago, two Caltech scientists, astronomers, started investigating and researching Planet X. And since they have been doing this, they have actually gone on the record, produced scientific published papers, and their own little short video. And we are going to bring you this video right now because it is absolutely fantastic. For once, we have scientists going on the record. So watch
numerous
this.
Features of the Kuiper Belt, a field of icy debris beyond the orbit of Neptune, can be understood if the solar system possesses an additional ninth planet that resides well beyond the orbits of the known planets.
When we looked at the outer solar system, we realized that while most of the very distant objects, these objects beyond Neptune, beyond Pluto, most of these objects, they all go around the sun and they're all sort of pointing off in all different directions. But the most distant objects all swing out in one direction in a very strange way that shouldn't happen. And we realized that the only way we could get them to all swing in one direction is if there is a massive planet also very distant in the solar system, keeping them in place while they all go around the sun. And we started looking at this and thinking, this must be either a coincidence or it's caused by something else. It can't be caused by a planet because that's crazy. There are no planets out there. I went from trying very hard to be skeptical that what we were talking about was true to suddenly thinking, oh, this actually might even be true.
So the object itself likely is more massive than the Earth, probably a little bit less massive than Neptune. It sits right in between that terrestrial to giant icy planet range. Its orbit, unlike the orbits of the known planets, is not nearly circular and planar. Instead, it is exceptionally wide, 20 times bigger than the orbit of Neptune. The orbital period of the Earth is, of course, 1 year. Right? The orbital period of Jupiter, the big player in our solar system, is about 10 years. The orbital period of this putative ninth planet is 20,000 years.
We have nothing like it in the solar system, so it's new for us. It is, however, the most common mass of planets that have been found around all of the other stars. People have always looked at all these other planets in this strange mass range and said, wow, I wonder what these are. I don't know what these are because we don't have anything like it in the solar system. Looks like maybe we do. There are many telescopes on the Earth that actually have a chance of being able to find it. And I think that many people will be inspired to use their telescopes. I'm really hoping that as we announce this, people start a worldwide search to go find this ninth planet.
History shows us that it's a bad idea to consistently say we have now reached the end of the solar system and there's nothing beyond what we already know.
And all those people who are mad that Pluto is no longer a planet can be thrilled to know that there's a real planet out there still to be found.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, what these two scientists are discussing is the possibility that, yes, there are other planets out there in our solar system and out there in the universe. But what they did not discuss is the Nemesis solar system. They're talking about a planet that is going to possibly orbit the sun in our solar system every 10 to maybe 20,000 years. But they did not discuss specifically the Nemesis solar system. And reaching back into the Bible and ancient Chinese astronomy dating back 4,000 years puts the Nemesis solar system in our solar system in 2016 and possibly earlier. We have the video and photographic evidence to prove it. And you have been watching it on this channel. It is my personal opinion that these two scientists absolutely know and have evidence that the Nemesis solar system has entered our solar system. I think they went out on a limb discussing the possibilities of a Planet X. We already know that Nemesis and Nibiru are here. And with that said, I'd like to thank all of you Nibiru watchers. You guys are absolutely fantastic. Keep your videos and your photographs coming in to Nibiru Planet X 2016 at gmail.com. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family members on Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe to the Nibiru channel for all of our current updates. And like I always say, keep an eye in the sky.